trust me, this is so soft. A breakfast you can put together in 10 minutes. I am not even exaggerating, and it is so nice. Hey human, I'm Abraxan Evelyn, the Beautiful Chick. Welcome to my channel, a place where you'll find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. Today on the Beautiful Chick, come along and I'll show you oatmeal pancakes. And we have our oatmeal, we have eggs, I have milk, then I'll be garnishing with grapes, blueberries, and I will create some kind of topping. Let's go right into this. So I basically started by soaking my oatmeal in water for like 5 minutes. Nothing spectacular about that, just to make it soft. Then I added my milk, my eggs. Then I thought, for you who loves some sweetness, let's bring in brown sugar, just 1 spoon. By the way, this is 1 cup of oatmeal. You can add bananas if you fancy banana. But I just thought, let's add some sugar and then blend, or you whisk, whichever works for you. The consistency also depends on you. Some people like theirs really thick. I am in between. Look at my consistency. It isn't too thick, neither is it runny. It's just okay. Now, fry for about 3 minutes on both sides. When you see bubbles like so, then it is time to flip. Remember, cook 2 to 3 minutes on both sides. And I was able to flip that. Look at how fluffy that looks. I was just so proud of myself when I made this. This is a healthy version of pancakes. Pancakes are like the best breakfast to have. You can decide to have this for dinner or brunch or whatever. If you're still watching, this is so nice of you. So I went ahead to garnish with grapes and blueberries. Then, of course, I made this toppings with cashew nuts and pumpkin seeds. And oh my God, it was so delicious. Maybe I should show you how I made that. Look at how pretty that looks. If you're still here, thank you so much. Please remember to like the video, share this video, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought about this recipe. Is this something you will be trying? I did not add baking powder to this. Neither did I add bananas. I just wanted it as simple as possible. Hopefully, you will make something like this very soon. Alrighty, if you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for coming. You may want to consider subscribing. There's a whole lot on this channel. I just want everybody blessed. I want everybody staying beautiful and healthy. Thank you so much, guys. Take care of yourself. I love you. Mwah!